Jumbo, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about how to copy and paste data in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, there is a keyboard shortcut for copying data in Microsoft Excel, and that's the first way, where we are going to do Control C or Command C in MacBooks. I'm going to try and copy this formula which we did in the previous tutorial to this cell, F9 and 10. So the keyboard shortcut is Control C. Once you do Control C or Command C, you're going to see the matching ants highlights. This is what shows you this is a cell that is copied and not yet pasted wherever you want to take it. So I'm going to paste it here and see what happens. Control V is how you paste it. Okay. So once I have pasted in these other locations, I can just press the escape key. If not the escape key, you just select that and press the escape key, and the matching ants are going to go away in case you don't want to use it. But the data is still active. If I go somewhere else and do Control V, it's still going to paste. Okay, so that's how you copy and you paste using keyboard shortcuts. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. To duplicate what you've done before, if I have not forgotten, is Control D or Command D, and it's not going to do it because duplication is for actions and not for the the data itself. So it's not a part of this exercise. So to differentiate another item which is cut from copying, let's say I want to move this from here to here. So I'm going to highlight that cell, that is I2, then Control X. It still shows the matching ants, but the difference is in how it's going to behave once I paste. So let me click here and do Control V. See, it has moved from here to here. So that's the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. Cut is used to move data completely. Copy is just to duplicate data. So that's the difference between cut and paste. It was just one way for you to copy using keyboard shortcuts. The other way, let me delete this, and the other way is to use your mouse. So if you select the cell that you want to copy data from, right click and click on copy. Select the cell you want to paste or the range of cell that you want to paste, and right click again and click on paste. Boom, that's it. And this is not used for mouse functions only. It can be used also with keyboard shortcuts. Let's say delete this. Let's say I select this, Control C, then I highlight this range of cells and do Control V. It's going to paste it in all the locations that I want it. So this is how you work faster in Excel. I'm going to remove all these absolute references and do F4. Okay, then F4 again. Okay, or I don't know why we are this plus this. There's a problem here. Plus this plus this plus this. I want to show you how you can also copy formulas. So select this, Control C, select this too, Control V, and it gets the correct amount, as you can see. Correct summations. So that's how intelligent Excel is. If I press Control S, the matching ants are going to go away. But yeah, keep remembering how to save because you might lose your data. So that's how to copy and paste. The first way is through keyboard shortcuts. The second way is right click mouse function. That's it for copying and pasting data in Excel. See you in the next one where we'll be talking about inserting and deleting columns and rows in Excel. See you then. Bye bye.